What I have here is a 2019 F-150, and there's a battery light that comes on when you start it saying it's not fully charged, and it comes out at 12.3 volts. So fully charged battery is 12.6. I'm going to go ahead and start it up and see what we have coming out of the alternator. We have 14.8 volts. Okay, after it was running and sitting a while, it's 12 and just under 12.3 volts. I'm going to go ahead and replace the battery. It's awful hard on the alternator when the battery is really low. So what I did is I put a memory saver on the posts before I'm going to remove the clamps here. This is optional. You'll have to reset your clock and everything after that. And then Ford uses a battery management system on here. That's this little gizmo there. And you need to let the new battery sit for 8 hours, and then the computer will relearn what set of parameters you need for charging it. So I'm going to remove the negative first, move that out of the way, and then I'm going to remove the positive. Both of those were 10 millimeter. Now I'm going to use a 8 millimeter, put it right on here, and remove that battery hold down clamp. Okay, remove this clamp here, set that off to the side. Now you can take the handles on the battery, lift it out. We'll take a little insulated girdle off here, and we'll go get a new battery. Okay, I purchased a new battery. I'm going to clean up the terminals before I put it on there. I'm going to just use a terminal brush here and just turn it a little bit. And I'm going to take and use this part of the brush and then clean the clamps. Okay, I'll take my little girdle here, put that on there. Now we'll install the battery. Well, I got the battery in there, fold the handles down. We're going to go and attach the positive side first. Then we'll attach the negative side. So we're going to want to push the battery all the way towards the engine, and then we're going to take our battery hold down clamp here, slide it down in here and tighten that up. Okay, now you can remove your memory saver. Put your little cap back down over the positive, and now we'll go ahead and reset the battery management sensor. Okay, what you'll do is turn the key to the on position. Then you're going to take and move your brights 5 times. And then step on the brake 3 times.